In 2001, Enron didn't just collapse, it evaporated. They used mark-to-market accounting to book future profits as today's cash. It was a house of cards built on human greed. Fast forward to today, we aren't just trusting human accountants anymore. We are trusting autonomous agents, and that is where the next $60 billion scandal is hiding. Here are 3 reasons why the next Enron will be AI-driven. In the Enron era, executives claimed they didn't know. In the AI era, they'll say the model didn't tell us. When AI handles your financial forecasting and risk assessment, it creates a layer of plausible deniability. If the algorithm hallucinates a $1 billion gain to meet quarterly expectations, who's at fault? The coder, the CEO, or the black box? Enron's fraud took years to uncover. An AI can manipulate earnings, shuffle debt into synthetic entities, and optimize tax loopholes in milliseconds. By the time auditors flag a discrepancy, the capital is gone, and the model has already rewritten its own logic. Just like the dot-com bubble, we are in a peak of inflated expectations. Companies are under massive pressure to show AI-driven growth. When reality can't keep up with the hype, the temptation to use AI to manufacture success becomes a systemic risk. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. Enron used creative accounting. The next giant might use creative algorithms. The math is the same, only the hands on the keyboard have changed. The question isn't if an AI-driven collapse will happen, it's whether we will know it's happening until the screen goes dark.